Assalamu alaikum sir, my name is Hassan Khalid and I will be explaining the task I have done. First of all sir, we have seen IP address here, and as it is starting from 128 to 191, so it is from class B, and class B has IP address of 255.255.0.0. Now first we have to calculate subnet mask, and we have written, as there is 255 on first octet, so we will write 8 ones here. Then again we will write 8 ones, and where there are zeros we will write 8 zeros here and 8 zeros here. Then we will calculate new masks. So we will write all ones here on first octet, all 8 ones. Then from second octet also 8 ones. As CIDR number is 19, so CIDR number is 19, and we have and class B has 16 bits, so we will so third octet will borrow 3 bits from second one. So here we will get 3 ones and all zeros here, and then again in last octet also all 8 zeros. Then sir, we will find decimal value of octet 3 here sir. Here sir, we will calculate first we will calculate from left to right, as from I have not done, but we will start from 2 raised to power 0, then till 2 raised to power 7. We will do from descending to ascending, as I have written here 1 into raised to power 5 plus 1 into raised to power 6 and 1 raised to into 2 raised to power 7. So we will get overall 224. Then we will calculate block size. Sir, we will calculate block size by subtracting from by subtracting 224 from 256, and we will get answer of 32. By for total number of subsets, sir, n is total number of network bits, where n is network bit, which is 3, and we will write from formula 2 raised to power n is equal to 2 raised to power 3, and then sir we will get 8 total 8 values. So we will get, first we will write 0, then from block size 32, and we will get 64 by adding 32, then we will get 96 by adding 32 to 64, and then we will get 128 by adding 96 to 32. We will get sir all 8 values like that. Then sir we will calculate total number of hosts per subnet. So we will get that by 2 raised to power h minus 2, and h that for host bit. We will get this by subtracting 32 with CIDR number, that is 19. From there we will get 13. Then we will put formula and we will get the answer 8190. Sir, then all possible subnets, sir. Sir, here we will get all number of subnets by getting all number of subnets by sir here we will get all number of subnets by adding by we will only change third octet. First octet and second octet will remain same, only we will change third octet, and we will the 8 values that I have given, that I have solved from total number of subnet, I will put that values here, and we will get 8 subnets here. Now sir, in second, as it is from class C, so here sir we will write 255.255.255, as it is as it starts from 1912, so on sir. And here in subnet mask we will write 8 ones in first octets, 8 one in second octet, and 8 ones in third octets, and so on. Now sir, for new mask we will write 8 octets, 8 ones in first octet, 8 twos in second, and 8 threes in second, as CIDR number is 27, and in class C there are total 24 bits, so only we will borrow 3 bits from 3 bits from third octet. Now sir, we will calculate decimal value of octet as I have told you before. Then from block size, sir, we will calculate block size by subtracting 256 from 24, and we will get the answer of 32. Then, sir, to calculate total number of subnet, which is n is equal to 3 and n is network bits, then we will calculate this by 2 raised to power 3 is equal to 8, as there are 8 values. So we will calculate total number of subnets will be 8, and we will describe like this. Then for total number of hosts, sir, here h is host network bits, and we will calculate by formula 2h minus 2, and we will get 30. Then, sir, we will calculate all number of subnets like I have told you before. Sir, in third part, it is this, as in first octet there is 70, so first octet start from 0 to 128, so it is from class A, and we will write as class A as 255.0.0.0 IP address. Then we will calculate subnet mask by where there is 255, we will write here 8 1 bits, 8 times 1 here. Then from where there is 0, we will write 8 zeros, and so on, sir. Then for calculating new mask, in first octet there will be 8 ones, and in second octet, as class A has 8 bits, so we will borrow 4 bits from first octet, and we will calculate by s, and then we will write zeros as. Then, sir, for decimal value of octet 2, we will calculate by from ascending to descending to ascending, as I have told you. Then, sir, we will find block size, that is we will subtract 240 from 256, and then we will calculate total number subtract by formula 2 raised to power 4 is equal to 16, and then, sir, we will get 16 values. Then, sir, we will calculate all possible subnets. Now, sir, here is part D. It is, as first octet is from is 130, so it is from 129 to so on, so it is from 129 above, so it is from class B. And, sir, we will here we will write 255 in first, 255 in second, 0.0.0. Then, sir, we will write where there is 255, we will write 8 ones, and where there is 0, we will write 8 zeros. And then, sir, here there is in this D part there is 21 CIDR number, and class B has 16 bits, so we will write 5, so we will borrow 5 ones from second octet, and then, sir, we will calculate decimal value of octet as I have told you before, and, sir, all will be calculated as I have told you. And, sir, part E is from class C, and we will write IP address of class C. The subnet mask, where there is 255, we will write once, and where there is 0, we will write 0. Then, sir, we will describe, now I will describe new mask here, where in part E there is CIDR number 25, and C class has total number of 24 bits, so only so for new mask it will only borrow one bit from third octet. Then, sir, we will find decimal value of octet for, that is 128. So we will for block size, we will we will describe for block size we will subtract 128 from 256, that is 128. Then, sir, we will find total number subtract, that is 2, that are 0 and 128. Then, sir, we will find total number of hosts by 2 raised to power 7 minus 2, that formula will be 2 raised to power h minus 2, where h is host network, that will be 126. Then, sir, we will describe all possible subnet, that are 2, as I have shown. Thank you, sir.